We will be demonstrating today Reed's PLAS inline rotary cutter for PE and PVC pipe. This cutter cuts 4 to 28-inch pipe. We will be assembling the PLAS 0 for 4 to 8-inch pipe. First, we're going to put the screw assembly onto the A section and the C section. We will be using it for 8-inch, which is the outer 2 link adjustments. The screw assembly you attach by putting the pins in the upper wheel assembly and then the lower wheel assembly. And then 2 outer holes on the link assembly. We are assembling the PLAS 1 6 to 12-inch. This setup is for 12-inch pipe, which will be the outside holes of the link assemblies. The 3 parts needed are the A wheel assembly, the B connector, the C wheel assembly, 2 link pins, and the screw assembly. First, we assemble section A to the screw assembly. Bottom of the screw assembly to section B. Link to the bottom of the B section. Link to the C section. And then the last link to connect the A and the C section. We will be assembling the PLAS 2 for 14 to 18-inch pipe. This assembly will be for the 16-inch pipe using the outer holes on the link assembly. The first section is the D assembly. The D assembly assembles to the screw assembly. Then we attach to 2 C assemblies and last a B assembly. The links are on the outer holes. First, we assemble the D assembly to the screw assembly. At the bottom of the screw assembly to the C assembly. Then we link the 2 C assemblies. Link the C assembly to the B assembly. And then the B assembly back up to the D assembly. To remove the cutting blade from section A or section D, spin the feed assembly and the cutting blade can be removed from the tool. To install the blade, Put the blade assembly into the A or D section. And then feed the blade assembly up. There are two different blades for the PLAS cutter. A blade for PE and a blade for PVC. To remove and change the blades, you remove the screw, take the old blade out, and insert the new blade and replace the screw.